How to play Fortnite on iOS. Let's get started. Launch your Safari browser. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in xbox.com/play and search for it. With that you will be directed to this kind of page, Cloud Gaming. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on this arrow icon. Now scroll down. You will see the option of add to home screen. Click on it. Now click on this option of add. With that, Cloud Gaming shortcut will be added to your home screen. Now go ahead and click on it. Open it. Now you have to log into the account. So at the top right you will find this icon. Click on it. Click on the option of sign in. You will need a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking on this option. But in the case you do have an account, type in the credentials. Click on next. Type in the password. After you type in, click on sign in. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top left, you will find this search icon. Click on it. Over there, type in Fortnite and search for it. Now game will appear. Just click on it. If you have this game, you will see the option of play over here. Just click on it. And for the best experience, rotate your phone to the landscape mode and connect your account to the Epic Games. Well, this is how you can play Fortnite on iOS. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.